Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark, and today we are in Branford, Connecticut at the Thousand Islands. No, Mark, we're at the Thimble Islands. We did a video a couple weeks ago where we were boating in the Thousand Islands using our WaveRunners. Mark, I just told you, we're at the Thimble Islands. We went to the Thousand Islands a couple weeks ago, but before that we were here on our WaveRunners. Why can't you remember that? But today we are just sightseers. So weather's weird. It said it was supposed to rain all day. Turned out to be beautiful. So we decided to just come down here and walk around and see what it's like from a tourist perspective. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Technically, the area is called Stony Creek, and the Thimble Islands are an archipelago located a short distance from the shore, but we generally refer to the entire region as the Thimble Islands. Most of the islands are private, and 23 are big enough to hold houses of various sizes. The Stuart B. McKinney National Wildlife Refuge is located on Outer Island. That's about 2 miles from shore and is a popular kayaking destination. It's a great area to explore, and I've included a link to the island below. Town is small, and most parts are within easy walking distance of each other. There's a boat ramp and the Thimbleberry Restaurant. There's also a wharf that tour boats use, and a swimming area which has a really nice gazebo. A little further north on Thimble Island Road is a market and a pizza place, a beautiful performing arts center, gift shops, and a museum. On weekends, finding parking along the main road can be tough, so we usually park at the Stony Creek Congregational Church, which is across the street from the swimming area. They have a lockbox and request a $5 donation, which we think is worth it. We don't have to wait for a spot, and we don't have to worry about other cars bumping into ours. If I had to guess, I'd say the boat tours are the main attraction in the area, and they depart from the wharf and offer cruises that are about 45 minutes long. The boats vary in size, and each offers a unique experience, and there's a shaded gazebo to sit under while waiting for the next tour. The dock is also used by island homeowners who either take their boat or one of the water taxis to get to their island. The taxis also provide service to Outer Island for those who don't have a way to get there on their own. We love eating at the Thimbleberry because they cook some amazing hamburgers, and they also offer ice cream and refreshments. The inside seating area is nice, but we prefer to eat at the picnic tables next to the water. Next to the restaurant is Thimble Marine Service, a certified repair center for various boat and motor brands. When we were there, I enjoyed checking out the boat that they had on display from Iquana Yachts. They're a French manufacturer that makes amphibious vehicles with tracks so owners can drive right up onto the land. I mean, how cool is that? I've put a link to their website below if you want to check them out. If you have a boat and need gas, they have pumps available at the docks just outside the Thimbleberry dining area. I'm not sure who owns these docks or who can use them, but we've seen people dock there and go into the restaurant. When we're on our WaveRunners and craving food, this is where we load and unload Nancy to go get hamburgers. The docks near where the cruises depart from are definitely private, so don't tie up there. Madeira Park is a popular spot for kayakers to prep their boats, and it's a nice place to sit and enjoy the view, but walking around can be a challenge because the ducks and geese leave a lot of droppings. The boat ramp itself is kind of tight, and it's mostly used by smaller boats and kayaks. Plus, the closest trailer parking is at a baseball field about a half a mile away. The ramp is very popular with rental companies. They will unload a bunch of kayaks and then everyone hops in and goes out to enjoy the area. Stony Creek Beach is the local swimming area, but I don't think it's a tourist destination. I think it's mostly used by locals with kids and others looking to enjoy the calm, sheltered waters. Overall, the Thimble Islands are a great place for a day trip. We like to visit a couple times a year during the summer to relax and enjoy the view. If boat tours are your thing, we highly recommend doing that. And if you own a boat, it's a perfect spot to swing by and enjoy a bite or just hang out and enjoy the view. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.